Here we are at the future site of a classic brick school, a quiet plot of land ready for transformation. Workers arrive, machinery rolls in, and the first signs of progress begin. Grass and debris are cleared, and the ground is prepared for what's next. Concrete foundations take shape. Rebar is set, columns and walls begin to rise. The frame of the school emerges as cranes lift beams into place, revealing the structure's first floor. The roof is assembled piece by piece, completing the main building volume. The exterior is still. The school is complete, the playground is ready, landscaping done, and the space comes alive. What once was an empty plot is now a vibrant, functional school, a place where learning begins. Build step